Hey everyone, Dawes here at Northland and Toyota. Just want to showcase this 2017 Toyota Highlander LE all-wheel drive. If you're looking for a third row family SUV, this is definitely the one. It is a good bang for your buck. It only has 148,000 kilometers. I like to always start at the back to showcase all the space that you have for your family. You do have a 60-40 split in the back, and you can easily put the seats down if you choose to do so. That way you can optimize more cargo space. Closing out the back, coming into the side here. It is an 8-seater, so you have the bench seat in the middle. Climate controls in the back, and again, plenty of space. Coming up into the driver's seat, again, you are equipped with cloth seats. It is an LE base model. It does have Bluetooth, backup camera, and Toyota Safety Sense features as well. If you're looking for more information on this vehicle, call us here at 519-451-3880. Thanks.